Hi students, welcome to my channel Pharma Tricks for Exams. Hope your preparation is going well, okay? And I wish you all the best. You rock the exam, okay? Yeah. And today we will see the Latin terms, the fourth part. And I already told that there was no question paper in the pharmacy field without the Latin terms, right? Right. And yeah, first we will see the cochlear. Cochlear means a spoonful. Cochlear. Actually, cochlear nerve is there in the ear, that you can remember. Okay, in the cochlear nerve, auditory nerve, like that. Okay, it can be found in the ear. Okay, yeah. Here you can see the cochlear means a spoonful, and here I made a trick here. So all the words, similar words I wrote here. You can see the here minim, parvum, and infanta. All three are the same. In the exam they will ask like that: cochlear minimum, cochlear parvum, and cochlear infanta. Like that they will collect these terms. Okay, cochlear means we know that it is a spoonful, and minimum, parvum, infanta. These three are same. These three are the synonyms. Okay, this means that 1 teaspoonful, 1 teaspoon. See here, tea. Okay, you are starting with the T. Okay, 4 ml. It is a 4 ml. In the exam, how they will ask? Cochlear minimum, cochlear parvum, cochlear infanta. Okay, and you see here medium modicum means 1 dessert spoonful, 8 ml. 1 dessert spoonful, 8 ml. Medium modicum. You can remember it is a medium and it is a minimum. See here, minimum, medium, maxicum, magnum, amplum. That is 1 tablespoonful. It is a 15 ml. 15 ml. Okay. So how to remember this means, here see infanta. Infant means just like a infants. Okay. It is a starting stage. Parvum, it is also a starting stage. Minimum, and here you can find maximum. Mag, see here mag, this is also sounds like a maximum. And amplum, armful. Am means arm, arm, arm. Plum means full, like that you can pronounce it, armful. So 1 tablespoon full, that is a 15 ml. Okay, here medium modicum. Here you can keep Narendra Modi. He is going with a medium speed. Okay, his ruling is a medium speed, like that you can remember. Medium Modi. Okay, it is a dessert spoonful. Okay, so here almost 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms at a stretch you have learned. Okay, next. Yeah, now we will come to the some Roman numbers. Roman number 1 means unus. Unus means 1. Here you keep these two words. You observe un, union, okay, unity, okay, universal, 1. Like that you can remember. Okay, unity. Next is dio, dual sim, just like a dual sim. Dual sim means we know very well it is a 2. And 3, tres, 3. Quarter, it is a 4. And here you can see quanqui. Quanqui means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like a conquer. It sounds like a conquer. Conquer means winning. Okay, conquer means winning. So you are going to be conquer with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have 5 fingers per hand. Conquer means 5. And 6, gender. It is also pronounced like a sex. They may ask in the exam also either 6 or sex. Okay, like that they will ask. Okay, next is undicium, undicium, and duodecium. Decium means 10. You know the decimal point, like that. Deci means here 10. Okay, and undecium. Means 1. See here we saw already one. Undecium 11. And duodecium. Dio means already 2. So duodecium. Okay, like that you can remember. Okay, see here, see the name carefully. Undecium. Okay, duodecium. Next, vicinti. Vicinti means 20. Just like you can remember Vision 2020 is a very popular term, Vision 2020. You can remember this. Vision T. See here, similarity is Vision T. Okay. Next, L. In the exam, they might ask just directly as a L. Okay. L means cone giangit. Giangint. It is a 50. Okay. And centum, cent percent, like a century. 100 years. Okay. Centum, cent percent. Okay. Yeah. Next. Yeah, from this also there was a 4 to 5 questions were appeared in the old question papers. Okay. Dandus, Capiandus. Most of the students will confuse here. Dandus, Capiandus. Here there was a trick. Okay. Dandus means to be given. Capiandus means to be taken. Okay. So to avoid the, see here, just giving, taking. To avoid the confusion, Dandus and Capiandus, here I gave a word. Dandus, D, donor. You keep in your mind. It is a donor. To be given. See the hand. He is a giving hand. And Capiandus, capture. It is a link word. Okay, trick word. Capiandus, capture. To be taken. You have to capture this hand to capture the donation what is giving. Okay. And applicandus, to be applied. Here see applicandus, to be applied. And applicat, let him apply. Let the patient to apply himself, either the ointment or lotion, whatever it may be. Applicat, nobody will apply. Only let him the apply. Let the patient to apply himself. And deglutitiondes, to be swallowed. It is to be taken orally and to be swallowed, not for chewing. Okay, it is a swallowed. And miscendus, see here, mixed, to be mixed, miscendus. And yes, or some, or sumendus. These three, they must either this or this or this. Okay. To be taken here already came. To be taken. Capiandus, capture. Okay. Capiandus, sumendus, some, yes, it is all are equal. Okay. And infricandus, to be rubbed or friction. Okay. Free, F-R-I, see, keep in your mind. Infricandus, free, friction. With friction we are applying liniments. Okay, lotions we are not applying with friction, whereas a liniments we are applying with the friction. That means to be rubbed, friction. This is the main term using for the liniments. Okay, on the label of the liniments. Next, utendus, to be used. See, utendus, to be used. Yeah, we came to the last. Okay. Branchis, to the body. Branchis. Branch means either they may give in the exam as a branchis, or it is also sometimes it is called as a body. Branchi. Okay. Branchioles, branchi. Okay. Or it is body also. Okay. And jugulo. That means to the throat. Here keyword is jugular vein. Jugular vein is present in the neck. Okay, like that you can remember. Jugular vein present in the area of the neck. Okay, right. Next, OD. OD means on duty. Okay. OD means on duty in the company. That is in the company. Okay, not here. OD means oculus dexter. And OL, oculus levis. Okay, see here it is a dextro-rotatory. It is a levo-rotatory. Dextro means right, levo means left. It is a plus, it is a minus. Oculo means oculometer, ocular nerve, eye. Okay, so eye, right eye, left eye. And proocula, see here, proocula, it is a both eyes. Okay, don't neglect the Latin terms. Okay, even single mark also very important in all the competitive examinations. Not only 1 mark, 0.1 mark also important. It changes entire your future. Okay, if you get a job, immediately you will get a government job. If you get a government job, okay, you will settle your future, your family, entire thing will be settled. Okay, all the best for your exams.